Hi, Steve, wichitafixit.com. What we're doing today is we're getting ready to put down a vinyl floor. And what we're doing is getting it prepped. And I'm going to show you the best way. It had carpet on it. And they put 10,000 nails in the pad before they put the carpet down because they don't want the pad to move. That's understandable, but you need to remove the tack strip and the carpet pad. And I'm going to show you how we do that. So this is the carpet and some tack strip, and what we do is we use this little scraper right here. It's a floor scraper. It's got a long handle so it's easier to use, but all you need to do is run it across the floor and it'll take up any staples that are holding down the pad and little pieces of pad. And it takes a little bit of elbow grease. But this is about the best thing I've found, other than just being on your knees, scraping and hammering with a hammer. So that's my little tip for today, and it works great. And I think they cost like $25 to $30, but they're well worth it, especially if you're my age and you don't want to get on your knees. So that's my little tip for today. I'll do another video on laying the floor. It's a vinyl click-lock flooring. Looks real nice, it's real durable, but when you put that vinyl down, you need to make sure that the floor is clean. Otherwise, you're gonna have little bumps sticking up, even if you put a real dense, thin pad. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll do another little quick video on that when we start doing it. Look for me at wichitafixit.com on YouTube. Go to Facebook, Wichita Fix It. There's videos all over the place. Appreciate the hits. Thank you.